radio on camera. Hey guys, I've been looking for my camera. I don't know why it was in the refrigerator. Maybe someone loaded it was in the refrigerator. Closed it on me and all that stuff. Just it's a joke. Might hurt me in the background. Oh, and subscribe to my channel and leave another like. I want to get this 10 million likes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So bye.